With all the different sources of content and devices that are out there, lip sync issues can sometimes occur. Let's start with the easiest and most common fixes. First, check for and install any updates. This includes updates or firmware for any devices you may be using. Next, a simple restart may help. You can easily restart your Sony television by pressing and holding the power button on your remote. Many devices can be restarted through their menu. Or you can unplug the device for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Before we move on, check and see if the problem has been fixed. If not, keep watching for more tips. Now, let's check our cables. Make sure you're using high quality cables and they're securely connected. Take a second to unplug and reconnect any cables. This will ensure that they're plugged all the way in. Many devices and apps have options or settings named AV sync, lip sync, audio delay, or something similar. If you're using a soundbar or an AV receiver and all the connected devices are having the same sync issue, adjust this device's AV sync settings. If the problem is only with a specific device, like a cable box or an app, adjust that source's settings. If it's an app, you may have to uninstall and reinstall it. The absolute last thing to try is a factory reset. This will remove all of your settings, apps, and downloads, restoring it to how it came from the factory. You should only do this if nothing else has worked and you understand that you will have to completely reset up your TV and devices. Thank you for watching. These are some of the main troubleshooting options, and hopefully they help correct your audio issues. Should you need additional help or support, or would just like to speak with a Sony expert like myself, follow the links in the description below.